Anytime we interact with someone, either face to face, over text, or over call, our subconscious mind connects with their subconscious mind and it transmits how we would like to be treated. The moment that message is transmitted to their subconscious mind, they start treating us exactly the way we have given them instructions. Now, this is one of the biggest reasons people treat us exactly the way we treat ourselves. Because our subconscious mind connects with their subconscious mind, and as a result of mirror neuron effect, our neurological state gets transferred inside their subconscious mind. Now, imagine this. If you have any kind of relationship trauma, or you have some kind of childhood trauma with regards to how you treat yourself, that is also being broadcasted to their subconscious mind. That is one of the biggest reason why we end up attracting people who treat us exactly the way our parents did or how we have been treating ourselves. Now, what I'm about to do is I'm going to share this one technique with you guys that will make you influence their subconscious mind and make them treat you exactly the way that you want them to treat you. Now, you do not need to do this technique if you have already healed your father wound, your mother wound. That is exactly what I do in my 15 days instant healing program, where I help you remove all your father wound and mother wound in less than 2 to 3 minutes. And I teach you the art of instant healing hypnosis. And in week 2, I teach you conversational hypnosis, the art of making anyone fall in love with you in less than 1 minute of casual conversation. Now, however, if you are someone who's like, I would like to try out a technique without healing myself, so this is the technique that you can go and start trying today. The first thing I want you to understand about this technique is the person who is self-aware during any kind of conversation becomes the observer, and observer effect takes place. In simple word, if you are self-aware during any conversation and you realize that what's going to happen is your subconscious mind will connect with their subconscious mind, and this person is about to feel exactly the way you are feeling about yourself. That will make you self-aware. And any person who is self-aware during any kind of conversation becomes the influencer in that relationship dynamic. So the first thing is you need to be very self-aware when you start using this technique, because that will make you the influencer in any kind of interaction. I want you to think of this. Anytime you have conversation with someone, you go into a state of trance. I want you to recall a conversation you had with anyone, and I want you to focus on that conversation. The more that conversation goes on, you sort of go into a trance. You lose awareness about your surrounding. You lose awareness about a lot of the different things because you're so focused on that conversation. That is what happens when someone grabs your attention and they keep your attention on the conversation. That is what trance is. Now, if you observe, if you become self-aware during that situation, you will have a lot of influence on the other person. So the first step is during every conversation, I want you to stay alert and remember that you are the influencer. Now, the second step is going to completely blow your mind. I want you to treat the other person like a search engine, like Google. Now, I want you to understand something. If you go on Google and you type in happy cats, the images that Google is going to show you is that of happy cats. However, if you write sad cats, guess what Google is going to show you? Sad cats. So I want you to treat the other person's subconscious mind like a search engine. Because anytime we are having conversation with someone, the quality of our question decides what they are going to feel. And whatever they are going to feel, they will be looking right at us or they will be focused on us. So what their subconscious mind will do is their subconscious mind will record you with the same neurological state that they are feeling within that particular moment. So I want you to decide, what do you want this person to feel about you? Now let's suppose if you want this person to feel love for you, what do you need to put into that search engine? You need to ask them questions that is going to trigger the neurological state of love. A great example is we all love our passions. So how about you ask them a question about their passion? The moment they start talking about their passion, their subconscious mind will trigger the neurological state of love. And as this neurological state of love is triggered, they are looking right at you or they are focused right at you. So guess what their subconscious mind is doing? It's recording you and it is associating you with this neurological state. And this is extremely important. The quality of your question will determine what they are going to feel. And as an influencer, you need to understand anytime you're having communication with someone, you have the control over what their subconscious mind does. And if you ask them the right quality questions, you will be able to trigger the right neurological state. And that puts you in a lot of authority in any kind of conversation. In step number 3, you are going to build familiarity. That means you are going to share similar experiences. That means you are going to share similar experiences that will help you build a bond with their subconscious mind. Now understand this. Our subconscious mind is consistently looking for people who we can feel familiar with. So that means once they start talking about something that they love and you start building familiarity with them by sharing similar experiences with them, their subconscious mind will go like, hey, this person is exactly like me. So the familiarity will start developing. And that familiarity will be based upon the neurological state that you have decided for this person to feel about you. Now, their subconscious mind is building a very strong association between you and the neurological state that you have decided. And once you do this over a period of time with someone, you are going to realize that they will start treating you from that exact neurological state. And I have done this time and time again with a lot of different people and it works magnificently. A great example is if you have any kind of friend with whom you have a lot of fun, you guys make a lot of joke. If you observe, your familiarity with that particular friend is based upon humor. So even if you meet this person years apart, you're going to realize something. The moment you two start interacting with one another, that same neurological state will be triggered and you guys will start making jokes and start having fun because their subconscious mind has recorded you as someone who is associated with fun and humor. This is why once you try this technique with someone, you are going to observe over a period of time, they will be able to associate you with the neurological state that you want them to associate with you. So I want you guys to go ahead and try this out with anyone in your life. Do it today, go and try it out and then come back to this video and leave your comment to share your experience how this method worked for you. And you are going to realize something really magnificent. The more you become self-aware during any conversation puts you in a seat of being an influencer. And the more aware you are about the topics of conversation, the more you have control over the other person's subconscious mind. And this will completely change your life. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep healing. Bye bye.